Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix device ban on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. A device ban on Snapchat is usually temporary, and the ban ranges from a few weeks to 6 months. The best way to fix a device ban is to wait it out. Remember that if you try to log into a banned account, your device will be permanently banned. If you don't plan on waiting 6 months, try the bypass method. First, uninstall Snapchat from your phone. To do so, press and hold the Snapchat icon and tap Uninstall. Tap OK to confirm. Then restart your device. Once you do that, go to your device settings, scroll down, and tap General Management. Next, tap Date and Time. Toggle off Automatic Date and Time, and tap Set Date. Here, set the date to exactly 1 month ahead of the device ban. Once you do that, download Snapchat again, and make sure to create a new account. And that's how you fix device ban on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.